Hey everyone, it's April 23rd, 2022, and I hope all of you having a great day today. And today's video is going to be another exhaust video, and in my past videos I showed you how my 2020 Subaru WRX sounds inside the cabin, and I showed you some shots with my GoPro over the exhaust. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how it sounds outside the car, doing flybys and showing you exactly how it sounds outside of the car. I have big modifications coming in the near future for my WRX. I bought a catted downpipe, and I'm also going to do E85, and I have a tune for it, which I will be getting a pro tune for it really soon. So I wanted to make this video to show you guys how my car sounds like now, so when I get my new modifications on my car later, we can do a before and after and compare it. And as of right now, I have a NVIDIA single exit catback exhaust. It has the burnt titanium tips on it right now. And there's a good chance I will be swapping that catback exhaust out once I put my new downpipe on the car, depending on how it sounds. So we'll head down to the garage in just a minute here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today, and let's get going. And really quick, it is a beautiful day in the Chicago area. It is going to be almost 80 degrees today, which is the warmest day so far, and summer is right around the corner. Alright guys, it is a beautiful day in the Chicago area today, and sorry if it's a little windy, but the car is looking awesome. And like I said, I ordered a new catless downpipe, and I'm possibly gonna get a new catback exhaust, and I'm getting a new pro tune for my car. I've ordered aero pieces, carbon fiber aero pieces for the car, front lip, side skirts, and a beautiful rear diffuser. It's pretty aggressive, and I think it's gonna look really good, and I can't wait to show you guys how it's gonna look. And I am absolutely in love with my work wheels. These look so good with the red paint, and I honestly think I made a great decision purchasing these. And I wasn't sure if you guys can hear the induction noise from the back of the car, but I'll do some revs inside, and let's see if you can hear it through the camera in here. Oh, it's the red line. Let's do 5,000 RPMs. 5,500. And one last rev. Next, we'll do some acceleration shots filming outside of the car, and I really think my car sounds really good right now. It's not too loud. I think it sounds really refined, and I'm hoping, I know the catted downpipe's gonna make it louder, but I don't want it to be obnoxiously loud. I want it to be refined and still sound really good. Alright guys, so my camera actually just died on me. I forgot to charge it. So I'm gonna try to finish this video with my iPhone 13 Pro, and I heard the camera's really good with it. I haven't really tested it yet, but let's see how it is. Alright guys, so I just looked over all the stuff I filmed with my iPhone 13 Pro, and my mind is blown right now. The video quality of this is insane. The wide angle is so good, and the audio is not the best, but it wasn't bad. I think it got a good representation of how my exhaust sounds right now. But honestly, I'm kind of happy my camera did that, so I could experience my camera on my iPhone. Alright, so this is how my car looks with my iPhone 13 Pro, and the quality is honestly phenomenal. And imagine having an aggressive carbon fiber front lip, side skirts, and I apologize for the wind, and a rear diffuser. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. I think the iPhone 13 Pro really captured how my car sounds, and I do love how it sounds now, but I'm excited for the mods I'm getting in the near future. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my exhaust right now, and what kind of mods do you guys want to see on my WRX. What I'm looking to do is make it look really clean. I want it to look really clean, have decent horsepower, maybe around 400-ish, maybe a little more on E85. I want reliable power to drive this and have fun with the car. I'm excited for all the stuff I have planned in the near future. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.